What on earth is going on with the crypto markets? I would say we're in some sort of bear market. Let's go over to Bitcoin first. I want to see what that's at. 35,000. So I said if Bitcoin closes this week below 40 grand, we're in some sort of bear market, whether that's a mini bear market in a bull market or whether that's the actual bear market. Remains to be seen. But as of right now, I would say we're in a bear market unless somehow we get back above $40,000 by tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Central Time. Which I find extremely hard to believe that would happen. I guess we will see. So with that being said, also JASMY is way below what I thought it would go below. We're below 6.5. And obviously I said if Bitcoin goes low enough, we will go below 6.5, but I didn't see us going this low this fast. And so if Bitcoin does not stop going down until we get down to 32,000 or 30,000, then unfortunately this is going to go below 4 cents. And this JASMY will be done for this year probably. At least it probably won't put in a new all-time high. At least not for a long time. And I would say we're probably not going to put it in a new all-time high if we go below 4 cents on JASMY. So yeah, we can move the fibs down the daily chart because you had a daily close lower than the last time we looked. The 618 with the last move to the downside. If I use the wicks, the 618 would be at 9.3 cents. And the 236 fib is currently at 7 cents exactly. If you don't want to use the wicks, then on the daily chart, wait a second. This is not on the bigger time frame. This is on the smaller time frames. I want to look at the bigger time frames. Hold on. Sorry about that. Let me zoom out now. Yeah, so if you don't want to use the wicks, the 618 right now on JASMY is at 19.3 cents. That is lower than what we've had before. I believe it was at like 19.6 or something like that. The 236 is now at 10.8 cents, so 11 cents basically. We'll call it 10.9 cents. It was at 11.6, I believe, yesterday before that move lower. So I would just say this. If you get back above 11 cents and we don't keep going lower on JASMY, which I find hard to believe, but if somehow it reverses and you get back above 11 cents, I would say maybe then the low is in. But until then, if you go below 4 cents or lower than what it's ever been on Coinbase, I would say it's probably not going to put in a new all-time high this year, and I'm not going to be bullish on it anymore. It could still rally back to 34 cents, but I think it's really doubtful if you lose 4 cents, because for it to go down from lose 30 cents of its value, that's a 90% retracement. That's usually what you see in bear markets. So I would have to be under the assumption if you lose 4 cents, then crypto overall is in a bear market, and not a short-term one, not like we saw in May, but like a long-term one. So JASMY can't lose 4 cents. That's the line in the sand. And Bitcoin really can't lose $30,000 if you want to say this isn't. Because if Bitcoin says about $30,000, you could make the argument that this is just a short bear market in a bull market. The second one we've had, last one was in May of last year. If you lose $30,000 and make a lower low than the last time we were in some sort of small bear market, then I think you have to agree that this is actually a bear market and this is not just a short-term one. And we'd be in a bear market without a blow off top, which has never happened in the previous markets. That's why I still think this could be a short-term bear market unless we lose $30,000. So I do think this is definitely a short-term bear market unless somehow we rally back above $40,000 tomorrow, which I would be shocked and excited about, extremely excited if that happened. But as of right now, I have little to no hope that's going to happen because there's no bounce really. I mean, your low was $34,000 and you just have not gotten the bounce from that. So I just don't see it happening. I guess now this is becoming a Bitcoin and Ethereum or JASMY video, so I'll just end it now. That's all I want to say. I think JASMY looks like absolute dog shit right now. I'm just going to say that right now. It looks bad. As of does a crypto market. There's a few coins out there that look good. I'll make another video on that next one, but I'll see you guys in the next one. This is not financial advice, of course. Do not trade it based on what you hear in this video. That's all I got to say. I'll see you guys in the next one.